Hi everyone, I want to show you how to connect to an Oracle database via PHP on Windows. This assumes that you already have XAMPP installed on your Windows. You can use other PHP servers too. This feature is not built in, unlike MySQL, which you can directly connect to with PHP. First step, install Oracle Instant Client. The link is in the description or just Google it. Download the latest version. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. There's no installation required, but just move the Oracle Instant Client folder to somewhere in your computer. Copy that directory. In my case, I put it in D drive. Second step, put the directory path as the environment variable on Windows. Just find it on Start menu. In the environment variable settings, if you have admin access, go to the bottom section, which is System Variables. If you don't, use the top section, which is only for your user. Then go to the path setting and add the Oracle directory there. The purpose of these environment variables is so that your Windows recognizes the Oracle executables. Third step, go to the PHP website to find the DLL files required to connect PHP to Oracle. However, you must know your PHP version. If you don't know, follow this step. In your htdocs folder, create a simple PHP file and just put phpinfo in there. Then load the page in the browser. The PHP version should appear at the top. Once you know, go find the DLL. In my case, I'm on PHP 7.2, so I need to find the DLL for that specific version. The thread safe or non-thread safe version might not matter, but that's a separate topic to discuss. Just download either. Fourth step, once downloaded, extract it and copy all the files to php/ext folder inside the XAMPP installation directory. Fifth step, configure the php.ini. A thing to note, you must check the DLL name that you downloaded. In my case, the main DLL name is php_oci8.dll. Ignore the php underscore and the .dll, so we get it as oci8. Now, we can go to the php.ini. In XAMPP, there's a menu to access that. In the file the section called extensions and type there extension equals oci8. You might have similar names already in that php.ini file. In my case, I just changed this to oci8, but you can also add a new row, no problem. Sixth step, restart the PHP server through XAMPP. Then put this simple code to test the connection to Oracle, regardless you have the Oracle DB or not. If you don't, it will just say cannot connect to Oracle. If there's any mistakes in the installation, it will show call to undefined function OCI connect, which means Oracle is not yet recognized by PHP. In that case, check again the installation steps provided in this video, or let me know in the comments below. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe.